Today I'm doing a what I eat in the day video. So if you'd like to see what I eat on a Weight Watchers points day, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to take you along on what I eat in the day on a Weight Watchers points day in Florida. So come on along if you'd like to see what I eat on Weight Watchers breakfast, lunch, dinner with points. This morning for breakfast, I'm scrambling up 3 eggs. Then I added 2 pieces of the pre-cooked bacon that I microwaved to get a little crispy. So that is 1 point for the 2 pieces of bacon. Then I'm going to add 1 point's worth of deluxe American cheese. Then I'm having 2 pieces of toast with some butter and some Just Fruit black raspberry jelly. So this breakfast is going to be 0 points for the eggs, 1 point for the bacon, 1 point for the cheese. 2 pieces of Sara Lee Delightful Bread is 2 points, and then 2 points for the butter and jelly. So that is 4 for that, 5, 6 points for breakfast. And then I'm also having an iced coffee for 1 point. So that is a 7-point breakfast, and that's how I'm starting out my day. So I'm having my breakfast outside. My mother used to make this breakfast for me when I was a little girl all the time, and I just always loved scrambled eggs with bacon and cheese and black raspberry jelly and toast. So that is what I'm having this morning. It's very good. Good combo. I love black raspberry jelly. So after breakfast, I decided to go take a walk to the pool. Much needed sun time. Not really, but I enjoy the sun, so I'm going to the pool. So that's what I'm going to do today. Today's lunch, I'm having a grilled hot dog with on a toasted bun with some potato sticks. Hot dog will count as 8 points, potato stick 3, and we're poolside. There's the cook having a hot dog by the pool today for lunch. Yummy, yummy. Tonight's dinner, I'm having some garlic chicken. I cut up some bite-sized pieces of chicken and I coat them in some cornstarch, and I fry them in a pan with Pam spray. And then I have broccoli with 1 point's worth of light margarine or butter. And then I made rice with some vegetable bouillon to give it some flavor. So that's 3 points for the chicken, 1 point for the butter, 6 points for the rice. So that is 9 points for this dinner. And it's a quick and easy dinner to make. And I make it a lot. For a snack tonight, I had a half a cup of these Bear Baked Crunchy Apple Chips for 3 points. So that's going to be the end of this What I Eat in the Day video. I ended the day using 34 Weight Watcher points. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.